Hello, my name is Logan Drake, and today I'm going to show you the basic tips in Blender. It looks confusing with all these different tabs and things you can press on, which I would suggest doing to explore, learn a little bit on yourself or on your own, because you can just go to File, New, and it won't, as long as you reopen your previous project, all these tabs will go back to how they originally were. But for right now, since you're just starting off, you probably want to go to User Settings and go to the Input tab up the top and change your select from right click to left, which will make it a lot easier navigating through Blender. You want to go to your add-ons and do 3D navigation. Scroll down, Mesh F2, Mesh Insert Polygon, Mesh Loop Tool, and Mesh Relux. You want to go down to the very bottom and do User Interface, Pie Menus, and Save. And we're done with that tab. And when you first open Blender, you start off in the Object Mode tab, where you can view the object and select different objects. You can't really do anything but move it. You want to go to Edit Mode, and in Edit Mode is where you can start shaping general object. Get it how you, just like a little rough sketch, I guess. And you can change from vertice select to side select. Makes it a little easier so you don't have to click on every individual vertice. Face select down here at the bottom allows you to select an entire face at once. Then you have your other Blender tools, I guess you would call it. You've got your object mode, your edit mode, your sculpting mode to help add detail, but I wouldn't recommend it in Blender because its sculpting isn't as good as it could be. But you can transport files to like SketchUp and other 3D modeling programs. But you've got all sorts of sculpting tools in here. You got smooth, and obviously on a square it's not going to look that good. So we can get rid of that by going back to object mode, hitting X on this, which will delete the object, going to the Create tab and selecting a basic shape, or you can hit Shift A, which will bring up the same tab, just a lot quicker. So, like a sphere. And you can take it into edit mode and refine it how you want, like shading and UVs. You can smooth it out. And if we go back into object mode here, you see that the face is smooth and it's a lot less rugged. And it makes it a lot easier if you do that. Smooth objects, especially when you're sculpting. That way you can actually see how it's going to react, and it won't just cave in. But you got all these tools here. I think that's all the tabs we have for now, but in later videos we can show you how to add a animation skeleton, how to rig it for an animation, how to make an actual character in Blender or creature. But I would have to say the best way to learn Blender is to go and explore on your own. If you like this video, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and if you have any questions, comment down below.